Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I've got yet another one from Zen Pop. Yeah, a lot of these lately has to do with the fact that I got a lot of them, and I want to just like go through all of them, get them all done, get up to date on these. This one, oh yeah, you go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. Yeah, a lot of neat Japanese varieties, including this one. At least we'll see. This is Maruchan Menzukuri Ninniku Kaoru Shoyu Tonkatsu. So, boiling water, and we're gonna add this one. This is the solid ingredients. So we drop that in there. And we've got 2 more sachets, and then we've got the noodle block. Poof. And that goes for 5 minutes. And we'll cover that up. And there we go to start on this, which is a Saturday where I am doing reviews. Not an extremely common thing for me to do, but I just feel like I'm on a roll. So yeah, the last 4 days I've done 12 reviews, and once I'm done today, that'll be 15, which is pretty good. You know, it's nice to get a lot out of the way. I think I'm gonna roll through it going into next week too. So yeah, well, what's going on? Let's see. Today's a big day for Pokemon and Pikmin Bloom. Couple mobile phone games that I play. I used to play Pokemon Go like constantly, but I don't really so much anymore, because basically I like the other one, the Pikmin one, because it's based around walking. So I go out and walk a whole bunch, and then I get back, it's like, oh, you found this and this and this. Cool. I'll put this on top. So there's that. We are contemplating the idea of getting a larger mansion for the guinea pigs. They here, you can see what they're up to right now. They're doing their guinea piggering. Here we go, right about there. They're kind of a neat little add-on for the show. Yeah, here we go. What are you guys doing over there? Huh? Good. Those are the children that replied, not the guinea pigs. That's Louise. She's the big, poofy one there. They're kind of hanging out in the other end. But yeah, they're getting bigger. They want some more room, I think. Which is, I guess, the way of the guinea pig. I don't know. But hopefully we can find something bigger. Problem is that generally, from what I've seen, is all the ones that they have for guinea pigs are for guinea pigs / rabbits. And rabbits ones, those are like, they've got like something you can climb up. And guinea pigs don't do that. If there's like a place where they could climb, they're just not into it. Yeah, but they're pretty neat little creatures. I like them. Yeah, the dark one is Petunia, and this one on your right. On your right is Louise, and on the left is Petunia. Petunia's mowing down on the Timothy hay, which kind of acts like what do you call it? Almost like catnip. They get kind of wacky, like totally wacky. That's the guinea pig way. But yeah, they seem to, for the most part, coexist semi-okay. Let's see. This should be almost done. I got about a minute left. But yeah, I've been working my butt off on my diet and walking a lot. Really sore lately, tired. I went from having, God, I want to say maybe like, I've been eating a lot lately and drinking a ton of beer, and abruptly, like, what happened? Oh yeah, we had Easter, and then the day after Easter I started back on my thing, and yeah, it's going good. I like it. I feel definitely a lot different, a lot better, and yeah, it's a good thing. Tiring though. I've been getting up earlier, trying to go to bed earlier. That doesn't always work with them. And, but yeah, it's a good thing, not a negative. It's 8:10 a.m. today. All right. Okay, let's get this first of 3 reviews show on the road. Here's our noodle. It said something about it being kind of like a style of egg noodle, I believe. No, that's one coming up. Comes with a big slice of Naruto, which I just set to the side. Of course, it's wafer thin. There's my scissors. So what was this one? This one is a Shoyu tonkatsu, and it's like really supposed to be really garlicky, which I'm down with. It also had this warning. So Zen Pop, when they make these boxes, they come out with a list of like all this info about them, which is really handy. But some of the little commentary they put in about it, it's like, what are you talking about? It's like, don't be afraid if you smell tonkatsu, but it says tonkatsu on it. That's okay. I'm not afraid of tonkatsu. Who makes this one? Maruchan in Japan. And this is probably going to milky it up a bit. Yeah, a little bit. This looks like to be a Shoyu tonkatsu. Yeah, that's what it says. That broth looks nice and oily. I like that. There we go, that's a little better. Alright, let's give it a try. Cheers. Mmm. Noodle is good. Definitely like that noodle, very primo. Here's our broth. Nice oiliness on top. Definitely, if somebody asked me, what are you tasting there? And I hadn't read it, and I'd be like, that's a really garlicky tonkatsu kind of thing going on. So it is definitely true to its name. Oh, come on, cord. If anyone has a spare house in, I don't know. I want to move to Taiwan, but if anybody has a spare house that they don't want, and it's like not infested by anything, and you'd like to donate a fancy, larger dwelling than we live in. We live in a 2-bedroom apartment. If you'd like to donate one, let me know. That'd be great. Because with all the stuff for my reviewing and 2 kids and yeah, I'm sure most of you understand the cramped situation. Maybe, I don't know. All right, let's get this. Let's Go with this one. This looks nice. I gotta say, this is a very, very nice one. Shoyu. And as I say on every episode lately, I need to put more fuel in this. Uh-oh. Well, that is a negatory. I think I'll have to do it between episodes. So there's that. And then it's time to visit the egg, and my wife was kind enough to egg it up for me last night. Thank you. I was getting reviews ready for today. Oh man. And I just ran out of time. So she came to the rescue. So thank you, kittens. And yeah, I'm gonna spread this up a little bit. Oh, come on. That is a really tasty broth, folks. I am like, yes. Some thin sliced spring onion. Grab it. And some there you go, and some that's a nice looking bowl of tonkatsu, I must say. Rotato, do your thing. All right, well, cool. Thanks for watching. Got the old blowtorch all charged up. Beep, beep. Shoyu, and the next one we'll have will be yet another one from Zen Pop. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code TheRamenator for a discount. This is, what is this? Nissan Cup Noodle Ninniku Tonkatsu. And that will be the next one you get to see on the big shoe. So, yeah, don't go change and have a good one. Bye-bye.
Do you have a long-term health problem?
No.
Do you have any allergies?
No.
Have you received any vaccinations in the last 4 weeks?
No.
Do you have a neurological disorder?
No.
Do you have an immune system condition?
No.
Do you take steroids?
No.
During the past year, have you received a blood transfusion or antibodies?
No.
Sign here, please.